Hi, I'm Abigail and this is my RiverView double. We kind of have more of a flowy, airy vibe. I love tapestries and the excess of wall space and just space to decorate was amazing. We have enough space to where me and my roommate were able to make a shared space with a futon, a TV, and a coffee table. There's a lot of closet space as well, so if you have a lot of clothes or a lot of shoes, there's even a lot of counter space in the bathroom. I was able to display a lot of my toothbrushes, face washes. The white storage cart was absolutely vital to me because I have a lot of makeup, I have a lot of hair stuff. I love collecting lotions, just little things like that. I love Doja Cat and Mac Miller, so I have plenty of space for posters like that. I'm also really close with my family, so my dad had sent me photos for me to hang up on the wall and include pictures of people that I love. RiverView is for relaxed, studious, calm people. It's not very chaotic, it's not very loud. There's a calming effect when you come into here.